What now? I did not want to film inside, but here we go. Two new Osram Xenon with 35 watts of power and 4 years of warranty. These are with, I think, 4300 Kelvin. I can't see it right now, but I think so, yeah. So let's change this. Hello guys, and welcome to yet another video of the channel. Today we will not do anything about the 740, but I will continue this project in the future. I will start around Christmas and New Year's Eve. But today we will have a look at the s60R and the problems it has with the lights. So here is the problem. I have no light on the passenger side, so I will start troubleshooting it with removing it and changing it to the right side to see if the light bulb is out or if I have some other problems. So we can start with turning off the key and open the hood. We have the latch here. And here we go. Before we start with taking out the light bulb, we will read this warning sign here. It says high voltage, and it's because I have xenon. So before we start with this, we will remove the battery. So if you have a s60R, your battery is located in the back, over here. The only thing you need is a 10mm socket and just screw it out like this. And when it's loose, you can put it to the side. And now when we secure the battery, we will take out the passenger side bulb and put it in the driver's side and see if it still works. If it works, it will be good for me. So we will start with turning this plastic cap to the right, and so we can reach the light bulb inside. Put it aside like this. Hopefully I can get a better shot on the other side, but for now this will do. You will just take this, you see the small latches in here? You unlatch those and you pull it right out. So this is what it looks like when it's out. It's a metal socket with the light pushed into it. You're removing it by screwing it to the right and then straight out. There you go. Hopefully this will work on the other side. Okay, so now you do the same thing on this side. Take this and rotate it to the left and then straight out. And there we have it. Now we have a much better shot at this. You see these two? Push it in and just take it to the side. Like that. Then you do the same thing with the upper one. Then you take it right out. There we go. This one is free as well. Then you do the same thing here. Screw it and straight out. Now we take the working one, putting it in the socket, and screwing it in so it's tight and sits. Then we put it back in here. We also have to put the bad one into the other side before we start it. Let's take this and put it back in and screw it in so it's tight. So when you have put in both of these headlights, only then you can put back the battery. So now we will temporarily put on the battery again and see if it works. When I turn on the key now, I want the passenger side to work. If not, I have a bigger problem. Looks like it's only a light bulb change for this time. So this is great for me. Now the passenger side works and the driver side don't. So if I change to 2 new lights, it will probably work. Okay, so why did I do it this way? Yeah, it's because on the back side of this bumper you have ballasts. If those fail, the light will not start if you have xenon. So this is the old xenon lights, and we will changing it for these Osram 35 watts xenon lights. These are 4300 Kelvin, and let's put them in the car and see if it works. When I install this, I always you see this little the little thing, I think it's a resistor or something. I always put them to the downside of this. So you have the connector here, and the resistor goes towards that. Like so. Okay, now we do the same thing on this side. This one pointing downwards towards the connector. Like so. And then we shove it in again. So. Okay, when you put both of the light bulbs back, you go to the back of the car and then you put on the battery again. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. I hope it does. Okay. I see light. I see light. Yeah, both of them works as it should. When you come this far, do not forget to clean the engine bay from stuff like this, and also tighten the battery. And of course, do not forget to put these back. So that was everything for today. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and share it with friends if you want. I will be back soon with the 740 T5 project, probably in about a week or so. See you then!